Hello all, this is Redeye3323 here, and I am going to be taking you through how to get your system specs from PC Wizard 2010. Well, first of all, you need to open PC Wizard, of course, and it should already be on this particular window, but if it is not, then you will need to go into the hardware subsection and choose the system summary icon, which is the first one. So first of all, we are going to want to get your motherboard's information. To do this, you simply need to right click on the item or description entitled mainboard and copy it to simply just paste this into a word processing document such as Notepad or Microsoft Word, and there you have what type your motherboard is. You can find out more about your motherboard by choosing the second icon under hardware, which is that, but only the actual name of the motherboard is needed for system specifications. To find out what your processor is, you need to do the same thing, like find the processor item under the summary, right click, copy, and paste it under the into the word processing document. For video card, your graphics card, this is very similar. You can simply copy and paste it. However, it's not as specific as it could be. Like it says here, ATI Radeon HD 5700 series. However, mine is a 5770. So it doesn't specify whether it's 5770 or 5750. But I don't think that matters a whole lot when it comes to posting up your system specifications, because there's usually little performance differences between each each basic model in the particular series. But yeah, to find out your RAM, you simply need to find the physical memory item and copy it and put in the word processing document. Note here that it has 4096 megabytes, which means 4 gigs. It will tell you what configuration you have, such as mine is 2 times 2048, which is two 2 gig DDR3 ones. That is important. You must note what type it is, whether it's DDR, DDR2 or DDR3, because there is a difference in all of them. Also, when it comes to your hard disk, it will say the make, which is WCC here, which stands for the Western Digital Caviar, and the size, which is 1000 gigabytes, which is 1 terabyte. Simply copy and paste that into the word processing document like all the rest, and that will do for that. For operating system, you can find that under the summary tab again. You simply copy that and paste it into the word processing document. Note here that it says Windows 7 Professional, which says what Windows you're using, or say you were using Linux, it would say what Linux you're using. It says the service pack, and it says x64 here. x64, or you will see x86, stands for what type, what amount of bits it is. Like x64 means 64-bit and x86 means 32-bit. That is important, so do not forget to add the x64 or x86 depending on what OS you have. For the power supply unit, you cannot get this using a software tool, as you will need to physically find that out. Sometimes if you have a pre-built machine, that will be on a label. If not, then you will have to open up your case and look on the little sticker or label of the power supply. Of course, like if you built it yourself, you probably already know what it is, but you probably wouldn't be using this tutorial if you built your own PC. So yeah, that concludes our video today on how to find your system specs. Like once you have them in the word processing document, you can paste them in, say, a forum or whatever you intend to use with them. I hope this vid has helped you out, and you should keep an eye out for my how to get your system temperatures mini tutorial, which will come soon. Also using PC Wizard 2010, funnily enough. But yeah, if you want to find anything else about any of the components, you can click the little icons from, say, processor, if you want to find out the number of cores and whatnot. But yeah, thank you and goodbye.